Okay.
Huh?
We are going for a little field trip, right?
Yeah.
Road trip.
Hey.
I got this front hanging bag thing a couple of days ago. So there's a bag on both sides. Very nicely. I just hang there. Put water, food, whatever in there.
Daddy.
Yes. Then I put a little cushion in between the battery section and my seat. The boy can sit right here comfortably. And let's rock. Let's go.
Look.
1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Look at the view. Look at the view.
I want to look at your head.
Look at the view.
I want to look at the head.
Am I still videoing? Is it running? You see the red color? Okay.
Yeah, that way. I will tell you to go that way,
Hey, a new house.
You mean a foggy jacket?
Hey, that's your school, you said.
Mine.
Ooh, this is a perfect place to test the capability of this car. I mean, this bike.
It's gonna build a new house here.
Yes.
And there.
Yes.
And there.
Yes.
And there.
And up over there.
I want to buy one.
More people building a house. Finish up.
Did they make the car too?
Yeah.
What's 20 plus 20?
Check it out this. You want to try over here?
Yeah, but what's 20 plus 20?
20 plus 20 is 40.
Because 2 plus 2 is 4, right?
Yes, correct. Smart boy. Let's go do some off-road.
Yeah. My school. Daddy, let's make it to our school. Daddy, let's make it to our school. Daddy, let's make it to my
Try to lean back. Yeah, lean back. Just keep pushing back. Yeah, push back to me. Very good. Woohoo!
One more big snow.
Woohoo!
Now let's go down this snow. Ow!
Let me show you a fancy house. There's a fancy house on the top of the hill. It's so big, it's like something come out from the game GTA. Let's go check it out.
For real life?
For real life. It's right there. See it?
Yeah, but this is my planet. Is it someone's house?
Yeah, check it out the house.
Well, I want it.
The house is huge.
I want it.
Look at the
It's
house
huge.
all the way from that side to this side.
It's gigantic.
The garage itself is bigger than somebody's house.
But I want this kind of house.
That's nice.
I want to buy something bigger than this.
Yeah.
They just have to make it. It's gonna go over there.
Yeah, off-road?
Yeah.
Okay, this part may be a little bit hard. Woohoo! Oh, we got it.
Don't go on the rocks.
You want to keep going up?
Yeah.
You want to try it? Let's try it. I need to turn around, give it a little speed.
I don't want to see a pumpkin vine. Grab
Worried.
it and grab it.
Yeah, it's gonna stay in there. There we go.
What happens if it goes in?
Oh my gosh. You okay?
Yeah, but what happens if it goes in the tire?
Woo!
What happens if you go? What happens if it goes in one tire?
I'm surprised on the top of the hill there's a little off-road, like a little track here. Somebody may have been doing this off-road trekking, riding up here. Ooh, that's a big slope. You know what, Ethan, can you hold tight? You need both hands hold on here. Hold on here. Hold on here. Yes. Hold tight. You good? Okay? Let me check. Very good. We're gonna go off-road. Let's go.
Go to the big house. And go down.
好，抓好。
Going down and then go
Okay.
there and then
That might be a little bit challenging though.
go on
Let's
the
see.
hill and then go there.
Okay, promise me hold tight, okay? Woo! We did it. We did it.
Go down.
Good job, dude.
Yeah, but how big is this track?
It's a big slope. The issue is it's got a lot of rocks.
How big is this track?
I don't know. Let's get off this. I think we're on somebody else's property and we need to get out. Rich guy's house. It's all property. It's all private property. We should get out. Let's get out. Let's get out.
Like it.
I know that, but it's,
I
they're gonna call police on us. They're gonna call police on us. Let's go. Here we go. We're back.
To the view. Is it still taking videos?
Yeah.
It says no, pickle bait. Don't put your hands in my house to the other house that's mine. So I'll do that. You don't let me do that. And I want my house to be so good.
Okay, slower, slower.
Shall we go in there again? No. Yeah, but where
You
do
see
I
those
go?
big ones? I want to try those big ones.
Yeah, but where do I go?
See, this one's huge. This one can only go down though.
Let's start to the biggest to the smallest.
All right, let's challenge that. I'll be right back. I'm here. Here we go. First small one. Woohoo! Here's the big one. My gosh. My gosh. Should I do this?
Ready, Dad? 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh my gosh. I'm good. I'm good.
What does it go do?
Oh, the only issue is the chain come off. The chain come off. What I need to do is basically just easy. And what I need to do is put this back on, and we're good. See, good, good again. Everything is good. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Woo. What experience.
Oh my dad's over there.
Woo. Come here, give me a high five. Give me a high five. We did it.
Okay, so Dad give me a high five.
Some more ghosts. Let's check out that house. Look at that.
His eyes in his nose.
Yeah.
And also more ghosts. And also.
Okay, let me turn around. Let me turn around. Yeah, let me turn.
Not the library.
Yes, I'll go through that road to the library. How about this place? Look at this little road here. It's beautiful. Look at the beautiful leaves on the ground. Oh, look at this house. My gosh. My God. Oh my gosh. Let me turn around and give you a good angle. Woo. Look at that. Oh, that guy's moving. That guy's moving. See the jar is moving.
Mountain's holding a grave.
Look at the werewolves.
Oh my God, there's spider on the window.
Yeah.
We better get Halloween
Oh,
stuff.
there's a witch moving in the front here. Witches.
You're coming here.
Trick or treat. You're gonna do trick or treat with with them. Here we are, back to base. Mission complete. Whew. What a thrilling trip. Had tons of fun with my boy. This is awesome. This thing is awesome. Love it. Okay. Hope you guys had fun too. See you next time.